Happy Sunday night, Vlogtober, day 17. I've got a Bath & Body Works Halloween video for you guys. Check it out. I only have the wrapper left because I actually demoed out the Bath Fizzy. So this is the Happy Halloween, what is this called? Spooky Berry Bath Fizzy with shea butter. These are $9.95. It's a little on the pricey side. It looks purple. I will put a screenshot up because I took a picture of it before I used it. And they're cute. They're a really neat thing to put in like a Halloween basket if you're gifting something to someone. So I recommend getting them. You can get them usually buy two, get one. They're kind of in with like those accessories like the hand creams and stuff or the lip balm. So that brings the price down a little bit. So I was kind of expecting this one to be purple. It's not purple. Let's do the demo and I'm going to show you exactly what this thing looks like. So as you can see, it's kind of a purple gold on the outside, and then when you drop it in, the actual bath bomb looks purple, but it's fizzing off like a dark green. I was really shocked that the water is actually dark green from this Bath Fizzy. So it is kind of a neat Halloween gift, I think, because the surprise is that it looks like a witch's cauldron. So as you can see, it's a super fast fizzer. These kind of fizz off a little bit like Alka-Seltzer. And this one was gone literally in like a minute. So I am not speeding up the film here. You can see there's hardly anything left, but look at the green water. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to drop it back in and let it fizz off completely, and it's literally gone in like about 10 seconds. But what's left behind, now granted this is my sink, but I think even in the bathtub you're going to get this beautiful deep green water. It looks like there's a little bit of like a gold film on the top. You can see the oil. That's actually the scent oil. These are very different than Lush bath bombs, which are usually like a really slow fizzer, and they have like a lot of creamy foam. So there's no bubbles or foam with this one. You're just left with this kind of cool, creepy green water. So I actually do think this one is actually a neat Halloween one. Oh my gosh, I was not expecting the green water. That was actually kind of cool. I thought for sure it was going to be purple, which makes sense because the Spooky Berry in the lip balm is actually kind of the same packaging. This isn't purple, but it does have, you know, the berry scent. It's a little bit different, I think, than the lip balm, which I really love, by the way. Put a little of this on. You should be able to find both the lip balm and the Bath Fizzy in the store. My store had a couple left. Halloween's getting really, really low on stock though. So if you want Halloween, I would go this week because Halloween's going to kind of move off to the side while all the Christmas stuff starts rolling in. But if you're looking for a non-candy, fun Halloween gift that is a bit of a surprise because it turns like a greenish witch's cauldron shade, I would pick one up. If you've got one, let me know what you think. But I was impressed. I thought that was a neat little Halloween product. So anyway, thank you for watching day 17 of Vlogtober. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.